splints off. I'm going to show you shifted and put it in the right place where it belongs, and it's going to stay like that for life if you let 4 weeks of uninterrupted. Really? Thank you.
There was no excellent option for nursing, so I
No excellent option for nursing.
only good, average and bad is there. Right?
Oh, okay.
When the stitches, it still has to heal a bit. This way on the side for only pure white around cream.
So this is day 8 and we're taking the splints off. I'm going to show you in a while. Yeah, you can see already if you want. I'm just going to clean, but you can see, yeah, you can show them. So you can see how his nose was. It was a lot of deviation. It was like going towards the left of his face, the bulk of the nose, and then the tip was going on to the other side. And now you can see the improvement. I'm going to clean up a little bit more before I ask him to have a look. And I haven't done anything to the alar base because his main concern was not that. We've done the tip also though. Okay, you want to have a look? देखिए. Nice. पूरा straight है. अब तो bend होने का 0% chance है. ठीक है? Unless you hit somewhere.
Yeah, I will not try to.
Try to नहीं मत करो. So because है ना ये देखो whole thing was deviated and now it's like absolutely straight. ये सब है ना, this is because of the tape we have used. It's little discoloration. पूरा निकल जाएगा. Okay. So we'll show you some side view also. So obviously because the bend was that side, you can't see much difference. But still see the nose. It looks much more elegant, much more proportional. I've done little work there also. मतलब opportunity था तो थोड़ा और improvement we have done. Now you see here.
And it's not. The width is now reduced also because it has become.
Projection is more because you told me that you didn't want me to do there if it's not required. It was suiting your face, I didn't do. So see now how the bend was there.
Yeah,
Whole nose was like severely deviated, you know. You can look like that. See that?
yeah.
It was like major issue, huh? It was not a very simple thing.
Whole thing was
Whole
structure was
thing, the
separated.
whole bony structure we have shifted and put it in the right place where it belongs, and it's going to stay like that for life if you let 4 weeks of uninterrupted healing. Okay, so that's the thing. You're happy?
Yep.
Or very happy?
Yeah, I was happy after 2-3 days.
After 2-3 days only you were happy?
Yeah, because swelling was gone and I could feel.
You could already feel it? Wow, that's nice. Yeah, I was
Because I never felt symmetry while touching my hands, right?
Earlier,
That's
huh.
why, like when I touched, I know, okay, it's better.
And how's your breathing?
It's okay, like I did not try to breathe hard. Like, so I'm breathing
No need,
slowly.
but it'll improve because a lot of stitches inside.
Yeah, but yeah, I can feel that the air outflow
Huh.
is kind of better compared to what it was.
Already, this is only 7 days. It'll improve very, very more.
Just breathing out, I can know. Okay, like
Cool.
before from the left nostril, I do not feel much. Used to feel much.
It was blocked almost, 90% blocked. Then how was your stay here with us?
Yeah, it was fantastic. I written in the feedback.
Really? Thank you.
There was no excellent option for nursing, so I
No excellent option for nursing.
only good, average and bad is there. Right?
Oh, okay.
So, no excellent was there.
That's nice to know that you were happy with the nursing services. And with regards to your food,
No, like.
Chota mota problem.
No problem. I was happy with that.
You're happy with the food too?
Only thing is like initially I faced some issue with cash, so I did not know I was supposed to pay it in cash.
Ah,
Yeah, so
for the food, for the...
yeah, but then sisters managed it. Like I paid to somebody and then they got the money.
Okay.
But if it could be managed, like
Before?
we can get a coupon kind of system.
It'll be easier.
Yeah, it could be.
Okay, cool. And I'll make a note of that. And how was your pain experience during the journey of the surgery?
So first day, I think due to dryness, you guys put something in throat, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so pain was there, but since I was drinking small of water, so I think after second day, it reduced completely.
Okay.
Second day, swelling was there.
Okay.
His face was swelling was there. So one of the doctor, Priyadarshini, told me like on third day it will
Slowly come down.
Yeah, and it came down.
Cool.
Only first day was little difficult.
Little difficult,
I
okay.
was having vivid dreams.
And like, you know, before you started this journey with us about the nose job, so you might have thought like, okay, बहुत डरावनी है, or I'm very scared, fear and all that. Actually, when you went through, how was the comparison? You was relaxed, or
Yeah, so
what the pain? Or pain was not much?
not that much. See,
Except day
your
one.
confidence is the reason why the confidence you throw in your works.
Okay,
That's the reason. Like I decided to come,
sure.
and like since I told you, it's kind of a lifestyle problem which I am facing right now. Since I am
Absolutely.
not able to breathe through this thing, and that causes lot of issues while I
Sure.
play and all, right? So that was one issue, and like if it looks good also, then
Yes, absolutely. So this is a double whammy, right? No, so we've taken care of your functional aspect. At the same time, while we're correcting your functional problem, we've also improved your aesthetic look. So it's classified as a functional rhinoplasty. But since we've done a septoplasty with rhinoplasty, so the shape is also good, breathing is also good, and so that's nice that your experience was quite smooth, and even your pain was not too much. And because remember, yours is a lot of bony work. For some of the noses that we're doing, it's not so much of bony work. It's sometimes a little bit more soft
it's
tissue,
like,
cartilaginous.
from the outside only one.
That also can happen. We do that also sometimes when they come just for a slight change in the shape of the nose. So depending on the extensiveness for the surgery, what your feedback gives is really nice. That was quite smooth and cool.
The overall support after the surgery is the reason. Like I finally decided, okay, I'm coming.
Okay, cool.
Because like I consulted few surgeons who
Uh-huh.
are there in Bangalore based, and like I am highly impressed with their competence also. But sorry, but the thing is the post surgery service in terms of like the amount of taken like all the effort sisters coat and all, like 7 days
Yes.
stay and all. So that was not offered anywhere else.
Yes, it's usually a day or two, and then a lot of things go wrong.
Yeah, so and I think for first 2-3 days it is much needed. Like
Absolutely.
so,
And in a case like yours, it's needed longer.
yeah.
That's why you have a smooth transition when we take it out, Otherwise, it's not going to
Yeah,
be
I
like
was
that.
like
So,
for second day when swelling started, I was not like feeling very well. About the blood clots which were there in my mucus, that doctors told me like, okay, it will be there, and I also read through Google and all that, okay, it will slowly go down, and today there's no
nothing. It'll be fine. But still
So
take
yeah,
care.
that constant feedback which we were getting from all the people, like all the doctors who were visiting us,
Cool.
it's also comforting.
Thanks to know. That's good to know for me. Thank you. All right. And now remember, the major event of healing is over. Primary healing is over. Secondary healing is yet to be over. That's with you still. So you got to take care for the next 3 weeks. I keep telling this to all our patients. Again, I'm repeating it to you. The nose shouldn't get bumped into. Should be very careful. Don't go for exercise for maybe even 4-5 weeks. It's better if you don't go for an extra week. Initially, we're giving you some medicines for swelling and pain. So continue with that. We're giving you a dedicated number. So if there's anything, do not WhatsApp on the earlier number. WhatsApp on this number because you're already a patient, and then if there's anything that we can help you much more quicker. All right?
Yeah, I have
Take
one
care.
recommendation. For
Sure,
you.
tell
So
me.
do you watch any TV shows?
No, unfortunately.
Okay, so for your profession,
Uh-huh.
there's a one episode in one of the classic sitcom called Seinfeld. Okay,
Called?
Seinfeld.
Okay.
Seinfeld. Season 3, episode 9.
Okay.
3, okay. That's how you can remember.
I should go and watch that.
Yeah, it's about rhinoplasty.
Cool,
You
I'll
will
do
have
that.
fun. Like,
Yeah, I should
you
watch.
will have a comedian perspective on.
Okay, cool. Thanks a lot for that feedback. Yeah, I'm someone who's pretty much non-movie, non-TV
Yeah,
person.
because- yeah, just-
No, it's not because of anything. It's just I choose to do other things, and I'm just. Anyways, but I will try and have a look at this.
Yesterday only I was watching it. So
Uh-huh. Nice time to watch that, right? If it's a comedy and rhinoplasty while you're recovering yourself. Okay, man. Take care. Thank you.